Types of joints in human beings. You can nod your head, walk, run, dance, or reach out and grasp things because your bones are linked together by movable joints. A joint is the place where two or more bones meet. Our bones and joints together form the inner framework of our body. Can a hinge on a door replace a ball joint on a joystick? Human joints are similar to mechanical joints. They have specific roles. Our body has many joints, and each is designed for a special job. The types of joints seen in different places of our body are immovable joints or fixed joints, slightly movable joints, and the freely movable joints. The freely movable joints are of four kinds. They are the ball and socket joint, the hinge joint, the gliding joint, and the pivot joint. The large dome of the skull is actually made up of 8 separate bones. The joints or sutures between these are fixed or immovable. Skull protects the brain by providing a strong immovable casing around it. The pivot joint consists of a pivot or sharp projecting end of one bone which fits into the hole in the bone above and allows side-to-side and circular movement. Place your hand at the back of your head in the neck region and move your head from side to side. You will feel the bones moving under your hand. Slightly movable joints are found between the vertebrae and also between the ribs. They allow the chest to expand and contract during breathing and help us to move our body sideways and to bend down and straighten up. Shoulder and the hip have the ball and socket joint. The end of one bone is rounded and it fits into the socket of another bone. The ball-like end moves round and round and allows us to rotate the arm and the leg and also to move it forwards and backwards. Put your hand on the shoulder joint and feel the movement of the rounded head of the bone in the upper arm when you rotate your arm. Elbows and knees have the hinge joint. The hinge joint is like the hinge of a door, and just like the door, it allows forward and backward movement only. Try out these movements with your elbows and knees. This is a gliding joint. It allows gliding or sliding movement where the bones glide over each other. They are found in the wrist, ankle, and at the ends of the collarbones. Try holding your hand over your wrist or ankle and moving it right and left and up and down. You will be able to feel the gliding movement. The hinge joint is like the hinge of a door, and just like the door, it allows forward and backward movement only. A single bone can have more than one type of joint. Find this out in your humerus or arm bone.